Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. This is also part of past tense. So this is fourth component which I will discuss with you. Past perfect continuous. रहा था, इस टेंस में हम लास्ट में रहा था, रहे थे, परंतु लास्ट में हम यहां सिंस और फार का प्रयोग करते हैं. सिंस और फार का प्रयोग इसमें इस कॉल में होता है. यद्यपि सब्जेक्ट क्या है? सब्जेक्ट ही, शी, इट, आर सिंगुलर है. जहां प्लूरल है, प्लूरल में भी क्या होता है? हम हैड बीन दोनों ही स्थिति में, चाहे सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है चाहे प्लूरल है, इसमें हैड बीन प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी और लास्ट में सिंस और फार का प्रयोग करते हैं. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, आपको सिंस और फार का ध्यान रखना है. अगर सिंस और फार पर आपने फोकस नहीं किया, आप सेंटेंस नहीं बना सकते. सिमिलरली नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं जब हम नॉट का प्रयोग करते हैं. नॉट जो है हैड नॉट बीन, हैड और बीन के बीच लगाते हैं. कई जो है वर्ब की मेन फॉर्म के बाद लगा देते हैं, वो गलत है. नॉट का प्रयोग जो है, यू शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट the placing of not there in present past perfect continuous tense. You see, interrogative में had को सब्जेक्ट के पहले ले जाते हैं. had जो है interrogative में सब्जेक्ट के पहले ले जाते हैं. इसमें भी जो है complex sentence बनाते हैं हम लोग. I'll tell you that how to make sentences in this way. In this tense, we must be careful when we are making sentence. Formation must be correct. If there is a wrong formation of a tense or sentence, so it will convey wrong information. So how? She had been living in the USA since 2019. वे 2019 से यूएसए में रह रही थी. She had not been living in the USA since 2019. Now interrogative. She had not been living in the USA. Interrogative pronoun. Had she been living in the USA since 2019. He had been working in that factory, in this factory last 5 years. That factory. He had been working in that factory for the last 5 years. Negative में he had not been working in that factory for the last 5 years. Now interrogative. Had he been working in that factory for the last 5 years. So you will have to place how we will be pronouncing it. He had been working in that factory for the last 5 years. वह पिछले 5 सालों से उस कारखाने में काम कर रहा था. He had not been working for the last 5 years. वे उस कारखाने में वह पिछले 5 साल से उस कारखाने में काम नहीं कर रहा था रहे थे. ये लास्ट में आना चाहिए. Had he been working in that factory for the last 5 years? क्या वह पिछले 5 सालों से उस कारखाने में काम कर रहा था? More example we can quote of the now I'll give example of complex sentence. His father had been ill for a week when they consulted a doctor. जब उन्होंने डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट किया, उनका पिता 1 हफ्ते से बीमार था. दिस इज कंटिन्यूअस. तो complex sentence we can discuss in this manner in this tense also. You have to keep all these things into your mind while you are. You can quote one more example just to understand it, because this is very complicated. You see, she had been reading. She had been reading in the library since morning. वे सुबह से पुस्तकालय में पढ़ रही थी. She had not been reading in the library since morning. Had she been reading in the library since morning? Sign of interrogation. This is most important. Had she been reading in the लाइब्रेरी, क्या वह लाइब्रेरी में, वह क्या सुबह से वह लाइब्रेरी में पढ़ रही थी. सो दिस कैन बी फॉर्म in this manner. So you can form many of the sentences in this way, and you keep in your mind, hello, you keep in your mind since and for. Since you had, as I already discussed with you, point of time के लिए लगाते हैं. Since you had, वो point of time के लिए लगाते हैं. For हम जो है period of time के लिए लगाते हैं. Since morning, since Monday, since 1920, since 2000, since 7 o'clock, for a week, for 3 hours, for 5 minutes. So for we use just for period of time. So you must keep in your mind while you are forming the sentences in this way.